Okay, everybody, this is the Emerald City toll bridge. We had a dump truck, no, not a dump truck, a cement truck go over the edge of this bridge we're about to go over. He was just a 66-year-old man and went right over the edge into the river. Right here on the right, you can see the scrape marks on the concrete there. Unfortunate, but it happens. Well, we're well on our way. We're coming up on the Hyundai plant. If you drive a Sonata, well, this is probably where it came from. Well, we started there. We're here now. And we gotta get way down there. Well, you don't get any more American than this. Having a Coke. And some Cracker Jacks for a snack. We're making good progress. We're still on our way. Enjoying ourselves. Nice day out. Got some clouds up so it's not too hot. We're enjoying our drive down to New Orleans. That was the Mobile River right there that we went over. Unfortunately, I think I hit the slow-mo button, so I've got a lot of slow-motion footage of all that river back there. I'll have to edit it and see what's up with that. But hey, I'm learning. Hopefully it came out alright. If not, you got no footage of the bridge that I'm talking about right now. Well, we've hit Mississippi. There's the Mississippi Welcome Center. The first rest area in Mississippi. Next stop will be lunch. Looking forward. I think we're going to go to Ruby Tuesdays. New Orleans, 111 miles, and we'll be in New Orleans. Been a good, pleasant trip so far. We just had a spot of rain, as you can see. Rain's hitting the windshield. Oops. Try to get the rain off the windshield. But it was only a short and quick rain spout, so we're doing well. We're on I-10, and it's just at the exit there for Keesler Air Force Base. And we just drove by. There was actually a Piper Cub plane that landed on I-10 and drove into the ditch. There was like 4 cops over there. I wish I would have caught a video of the plane in the ditch there. It was kind of crazy. I thought at first it was an accident, and I looked over, and it was actually an airplane in there. So I don't know if the airplane actually was on a truck maybe and fell off the truck, or if it actually landed on the highway. I'll have to watch the news tonight and see if it actually landed on I-10. But it didn't look like it. It looked like it was all intact. Didn't look like it wrecked. God bless, nobody got injured. 60 miles from New Orleans, and we're in a parking lot on I-10. Looks like it's going to take a lot longer than we thought to get there. Oh joy. crossed over the bridge. When Katrina came through here, you wouldn't want to be on that bridge. It was all underwater. That's one heck of a bridge, let me tell you. Well, we're about 30 miles from New Orleans, still making our way down there. Make that 19 miles. 19 miles from New Orleans.
Make a legal U-turn, and then, in 400 feet, turn right.
It's Rampart. We want to go that way, right?
Keep going.
Let's go down this street. Okay, this is Canal Street. We're kind of getting lost at the moment, trying to find our hotel. Hopefully we can find it. Okay, let's do the room tour. Got a little closet when you walk in. A little mirror. Hi, everybody. The dresser and TV. King size bed. Little table. Little bookcase. And the balcony. The balcony opens up to a pool, it looks like. So you got a little center courtyard. And then finally, there is the bathroom. Oh boy. Where all the cleaning magic is going to occur. Little shower. Small and quaint. I guess it'll do. Vacation mode. Start and finish line all in the same spot. Craziness. Evidently there's a NASCAR race down here. Don't you hate it when you start where you finish? Balconies, they have little designs on them. They're pretty neat. I think that's what will wrap up Vlog 3, man. Number 3 in the books. Hope you like it. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a like anyway. What the hell? And if you're new here, man, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Take her easy, maniacs. See you Thursday, I guess, or next vlog. Later.